while you have to define a variable, you have to follow some kind of naming rule convention. A variable name must be unique. When you write a program, if you give a variable name as XYZ, then in that same program you cannot give with the same name. The variable name must be unique. A variable name must begin with a letter or underscore. Variable name must be begin with a letter or underscore. And if you want to start a variable, it must be start with a dollar sign. Okay, it start with a dollar sign. It should not be start with any number. Variable name should not start with a digit. It should not be start with a digit. Variable name should not contain any embedded white space. It means while you defining a variable, cannot give here student space name, cannot give any kind of space. If space is required, then you have to define here underscore. You cannot give any kind of space while defining a variable. Variable name should not start with any number. 9 score, you cannot give here 9 score. It should not be start with any number. Okay. So that it is defined, a variable name should not start with a digit. A variable name should not contain any embedded white space. While you defining a variable, it must not be a keyword like system, println. A variable name in the Java is case sensitive. It means if you define a variable as capital score, so it cannot give here small score. Okay, it cannot give as a small score. So it is a case sensitive. Okay, right? Naming rule convention.